A man walks into a restaurant wearing a $50,000 Rolex, driving a $200,000 Lamborghini. The waiter serving him? He's an unassuming guy in simple clothes, but owns 3 rental properties, stocks worth $1 million, and is on track to retire at 40. Who's richer? Many flocks think wealth is about looking rich. Expensive clothes, flashy cars, designer brands. But true wealth is built quietly, strategically, and with purpose. The richest people don't need to prove anything, while the fake rich are the loudest. In this video, we're exposing the biggest money traps that make people look rich but keep them broke, and the powerful, hidden habits of the truly wealthy that most people ignore. By the end, you'll know exactly how to avoid financial disaster and build silent, unstoppable wealth. Subscribe the Wealthy channel and let's dive in. Number 1. Fake rich focus on what they earn. True wealth focuses on what they keep. Making $1 million means nothing if you spend $999,999. The fake rich love to show how much they earn, but never talk about how much they save. The truly wealthy, they master the art of keeping money. 70% of lottery winners go broke within 5 years because they never learned how to keep money. Meanwhile, real millionaires often live on less than 50% of their income, investing the rest. Rapper MC Hammer made $33 million in a single year, then went bankrupt. Investor Ronald Reed worked as a janitor his whole life, but silently built a $8 million fortune by investing small amounts for decades. It's not about what you make, it's about what you keep, invest, and grow. Number 2. Real wealth creates a legacy. Ever noticed how the loudest people in the room often have the emptiest bank accounts? The fake rich chase quick wins. Crypto pumps, get-rich-quick schemes, risky gambles, hoping to strike gold overnight. But real wealth? It's built through systems, businesses, investments, and disciplined financial habits that compound over time. As Morgan Housel says in The Psychology of Money, wealth is what you don't see. True millionaires don't brag about their bank balance. They build assets that work for them while they sleep. How many fake millionaires go broke within a decade? Too many. Invest in assets that grow over time, teach financial literacy to your family, and build something that lasts. If you're constantly looking for shortcuts, you're gambling with your future. Instead, focus on creating income streams, build a skill, start a side hustle, invest consistently. The fake rich spend to be remembered today. The truly wealthy create a legacy that will never be forgotten. Number 3. Broke people flex. Wealthy people build assets. First. The fake rich rush to buy luxury items first, not because they can afford them, but because they want to look rich. The problem? Most of them are drowning in debt. Meanwhile, true wealth builders follow the wisdom from Rich Dad, Poor Dad. The rich buy assets, the poor buy liabilities. A flashy car loses 60% of its value in 5 years, but a rental property, stocks, or a business can generate passive income for life. Before splurging, ask yourself, will this make me money, or will it drain my money? The fake rich buy things that trap them in the rat race. Number 4. Fake rich want to show off. True wealth wants privacy. As Steve Jobs once said, innovation is saying no to 1,000 things. The rich say no to showing off and yes to building empires quietly. The mistake most people make is spending money to look successful instead of actually becoming successful. They drain their bank accounts just to impress people who don't even care. Look at Mark Zuckerberg. Despite being worth over $100 billion, he drives a Honda Fit and wears the same simple hoodie every day. Meanwhile, countless influencers flex their rented Lamborghinis but can't afford their rent. Invest in assets, not appearances. Build wealth that speaks for itself. Instead of proving you have money, let your investments do the talking. The fake rich scream for attention. The real rich enjoy peace of mind. Number 5. The truly wealthy play for time. A young entrepreneur named Jake made 6 figures at 26. Instead of investing, he bought a Mercedes, took luxury vacations, and spent on designer clothes. Fast forward 10 years. His business failed, his car got repossessed, and he had no savings. Then there's Sarah, who invested her first $100,000 into stocks, real estate, and skills. She drove a used car, skipped unnecessary spending, and by 36, she was financially free, while Jake was still grinding, trying to maintain an image. Truly wealthy, they don't just earn money, they buy back their time. The Almanac of Naval Ravikant, wealth isn't about money, it's about control over your time. Number 6. Fake rich, follow trends. True wealth creates value. Many folks blindly follow trends, buying the latest gadgets, hopping on every viral side hustle, and chasing hype investments like meme stocks. They mistake temporary buzz for long-term wealth. But as Warren Buffett says, the stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. True wealth isn't built by following the crowd. It's created by offering real value, whether through a business, investments, or unique skills. The biggest mistake? Thinking short-term. Chasing trends keeps you busy but broke, while creating value builds wealth that lasts generations. Look at Elon Musk. He didn't chase existing trends, he created them. While others focused on quick profits, he bet on electric cars and space travel, ideas people laughed at. Today, Tesla and SpaceX are worth hundreds of billions. Instead of chasing what's popular, build something valuable. Number 7. Fake rich seek validation. True wealth seeks growth. People who love to show off spend their lives trying to impress others, posting luxury vacations on Instagram and craving likes more than financial security. But true wealth, it isn't built on validation, it's built on growth. They waste time proving they're successful instead of actually becoming successful. Seeking approval makes you emotionally and financially fragile. Growth, on the other hand, compounds. Skills, investments, and knowledge appreciate in value. Invest in yourself. Instead of proving you're rich, build wealth through skills, assets, and self-improvement. The fake rich chase applause. The truly wealthy chase results. Which one do you want? Number 8. Fake rich are drowning in debt. True wealth lives below their means. Have you ever seen someone with a luxury car but struggling to pay rent? That's because fake rich people use debt to finance their lifestyle. The average American credit card debt is over $6,000, yet most people own luxury goods they can't afford. 78% of NFL players go broke within 3 years of retirement because they spent everything on lifestyle, not investments. Meanwhile, true wealth builders live below their means and invest aggressively. They make money work for them instead of trying to impress people. The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas J. Stanley reveals that real millionaires are often frugal, invest wisely, and don't care about showing off. The more you live below your means, the faster you reach financial freedom. Don't let lifestyle creep ruin your future. Wealthy people focus on financial freedom, owning assets that make them money instead of liabilities that drain it. The goal isn't to impress strangers. The goal is freedom, the ability to wake up and do what you love without worrying about money. If you follow these principles, you'll stop wasting money trying to impress others. You'll build real financial security. You'll create long-term wealth instead of short-term flexes. Want to build wealth the smart way? Subscribe for more powerful money lessons. If this video inspired you, like it, share it with who need it. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you for joining us today. Our wealthy discussion will continue in the next video. Until then, keep shining and keep growing.